अस्सलामु अलैकुम क्लास 12th बायोलॉजी के प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स, बॉटनी स्टडी हब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका दिल से खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें। आज हम एक्सक्रीशन इन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एनिमल्स के टॉपिक को डिटेल से समझेंगे। ये टॉपिक आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, खास तौर पे पंजाब बोर्ड के एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहली इमेज, एक्सक्रीशन इन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एनिमल्स। 1. Excretion in hydra. Hydra, a cnidarian, does not have specialized excretory structures. In it, waste products simply diffuse into the surrounding water. Isosmotic surroundings. Urdu. Hydra में कोई specialized excretory organ नहीं होता. Waste simply surrounding water में diffuse हो जाते हैं. 2. Excretion in planaria. Planaria, flatworms, have a simple tubular excretory system called protonephridium. A protonephridium is made of a network of closed tubules without internal openings. This tubular system is spread throughout the body. A. Planaria. Excretory system. Flame cells. Each flame cell has a tuft of cilia whose beating propels interstitial fluid into the tubular system. The beating of cilia looks like a flickering flame, therefore these cells are called flame cells. The tubular system is drained into excretory ducts, which open to the exterior through nephridiopores. Key points. Hydra, no specialized excretory organ. Planaria, protonephridium, tubular system of closed tubules. Freshwater flatworms excrete very dilute urine. Parasitic flatworms remove nitrogenous wastes. B. Earthworm. Excretory system. Earthworm has another type of tubular excretory system called metanephridium. Each segment of earthworm has a pair of metanephridia. It has an internal ciliated opening called nephrostome, which opens into the coelomic fluid. The coelomic fluid enters the collecting tubule through the nephrostome. The fluid moves along the tubule, epithelium reabsorbs useful substances, salts, water, and waste is sent to blood vessels. Leftover fluid, urine, containing nitrogenous wastes, is expelled out of the body through nephridiopore. Urdu. Planaria main protonephridium or flame cells होते हैं. Earthworm main metanephridium होता है, जिसमें nephrostome coelomic fluid collect करता है और useful substances reabsorb होते हैं. दूसरी image, 10. Excretion in cockroach. Terrestrial arthropods, especially insects, have excretory structures adapted to collect excretory products from hemolymph and sinuses. These structures are Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are the only excretory structures in animal kingdom that are associated with digestive tract. Epithelial lining of the tubules transports solutes from hemolymph into the tubule's lumen. Fluid then passes to hindgut and into rectum. Rectum reabsorbs most of the salts in water. Thus, nitrogenous wastes are excreted as solid excreta uric acid crystals along with feces. This adaptation helps in survival on land where water is scarce. Insects are the only group of animals which eliminate excretory waste with feces. Excretion in vertebrates. The ancestors of vertebrates have segmentally arranged excretory structures like metanephridia in earthworm. In higher vertebrates, kidneys are more developed. The basic functional structure in kidneys is nephron. Structure of nephron: glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct. Functions of nephron: filters blood, reabsorbs useful substances like water, salts, glucose, secretes wastes into tubule, forms urine. Excretion in human normal mechanisms. Generation of wastes is done at metabolic level. These are called metabolic wastes. Include urea from breakdown of amino acids, creatinine from muscle creatine, uric acid from nucleic acids, bilirubin from breakdown of hemoglobin, end products of hormones and other metabolites. Metabolic wastes and toxins. Metabolic wastes also include toxins produced within the body or from outside, such as pesticides, drugs, and food additives. These are eliminated from the body by excretory system to maintain internal balance. Importance of excretion: removes toxic and harmful wastes, maintains water and salt balance, maintains internal environment homeostasis, essential for survival of organisms. Key point: excretion is the process of removal of metabolic wastes and maintaining the internal environment of the body. Urdu. Cockroach main Malpighian tubules होते हैं जो uric acid crystals निकालते हैं. vertebrates में नेफ्रॉन बेसिक यूनिट है. ह्यूमन में यूरिया, क्रिएटिनिन, यूरिक एसिड etc. निकालते हैं. एक्सक्रीशन होम्योस्टेसिस मेंटेन करती है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ बॉटनी स्टडी हब, इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से रिवाइज करें. हाइड्रा, प्लानेरिया, अर्थवर्म, कॉकरोच और नेफ्रॉन की स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शंस याद करें. पंजाब बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. Best of luck. Study smart, score high. Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching.